Three vessels whose capacities are 3:2:1 are completely filled with milk. Three vessels whose capacities are in the ratio 3:2:1 are completely filled with milk mixed with water. Milk and water का mixture है. The ratio of milk to water in the mixture of vessels are 5:2, 4:1, and 4:1. Find the percentage of water in the new mixture obtained when 1/3 of the first, 1/2 of the second, and 1/7 of the third vessel is taken out and mixed together. Wow. So यहाँ पर अपने को क्या दिया हुआ है, इनकी कैपेसिटी का रेशियो 3:2:1 है, एंड इस वेसल में मिल्क एंड वाटर का जो रेशियो है, और इस वेसल में जो मिल्क एंड वाटर का जो रेशियो है, और इसमें जो मिल्क एंड वाटर का जो रेशियो है 5:2, 4:1 एंड 4:1 है. अब हमको सबसे पहले इनकी जो कैपेसिटी दी हुई है रेशियो में, उसमें कैपेसिटी करनी पड़ेगी. बट अभी वो कैपेसिटी क्या है, इसकी 7 है, इसकी 5 है, और इसकी 5 है. तो लेट अस मेक इट फर्स्ट सेम. तो अगर वो सेम कर दूं मैं पहले, तो इसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, इसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और इसको भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो सब 35 हो जाएंगे. So this ratio will become 25:10. This ratio will become 28:7, and this ratio also will become 28:7. Now they became same. Now I will make them in the ratio 3:2:1, their capacities. So I'll multiply this ratio by 3, this ratio by 2, and this ratio by 1, so that their capacities become in this ratios. So this will become 75:30, and this will become 56:14, and this will become 28:7. अब I am taking this in the ratios 1/3 is to 1/2 is to 1/7, and then I am mixing them up, right? So which means I am taking 1/3 of this, which means 1/3 of 75:30 is 25:10. तो मैं 25:10 ले लिया, इसका 1/3, और 1/2 is 28:7. So इसको हाफ ले लिया, तो ये 28:7 हो गया, और इसको 1/7 लिया है, तो ये 4:1 हो गया. Now I am mix them up. तो 25 plus 28, 40, 53, ये 57 हो गया. 17 plus 1, 18. तो 57:18 का रेशियो मिल्क एंड वाटर का रिजल्टेंट फाइनल मिक्सचर में हो गया. Find the percentage of water. तो water is 1860 out of 75 into 100. ये 3 से जाएगा, ये 4 से जाएगा, ये 6 से जाएगा, तो 24% पानी रहना चाहिए. 24% इज द आंसर, करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पर 2 लेवल्स के अपने को रेशियोस इक्वल करने पड़े. फर्स्ट वी मेड द कैपेसिटीज इन द रेशियो 3:1 बाय मेकिंग देम इक्वल फर्स्ट, एंड देन मेकिंग देम 3:2:1. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू टेक 1/3, 1/2, and 1/7 of each of those capacities. So then after making them same and in this ratio, then we made them 1/3, 1/2, 1/7, which was very easy in this case because they all got cut easily in the ratios. And then after taking them in those proportions, we added them. The ratio became 57:18. We want to find the percentage of water. The percentage of water matlab water upon total into 100. 18 upon 75 into 100, which is 24%. Clear? So let us look at yet another challenging sum, which is a very beautiful sum. There are 2 mixtures of gold, silver, and platinum. First mixture contains 40% platinum. Second mixture contains 26% platinum. Both of these mixtures have same percentage of gold. 150 kg of the first and 250 kg of the second. They are mixed together, and in the resultant mixture there is gold of 30%. Find the quantity of platinum in the resultant mixture. So here one concept we have to understand कि suppose इसमें मेरे gold का percentage, my gold percentage here and here is same, let us say x और x है, तो यहाँ पर मेरे को रिजल्टेंट में 30 आया परसेंट और यहाँ सेम था, तो which means this is average, right? So average 30 will come and this also is same, which means this has to be also 30 and this also has to be 30, no? Because average कैसे होता है, x plus x upon 2 is 30, तो 2x upon 2 is 30, so x is 30, which means already मेरे को यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टू मिक्सचर्स के अंदर जो गोल्ड का परसेंटेज है वो सेम ही होगा जो रिजल्टेंट में होएगा, बिकॉज इनिशियल में दोनों में सेम है, बिकॉज एवरेज अगर दोनों सेम है तो एवरेज भी सेम ही आएगा, बिकॉज मैंने 30 plus 30 divided by 2 30 ही होता है. So that was one concept which I wanted to make you understand here. So let me first erase this part and then I can solve the sum. So once having understood that concept, I would say gold, silver, platinum in first, gold, silver, platinum, alloy 1, alloy 2. Now here there was 40% platinum, and because gold is same and in the resultant it is 30, here also it is going to be 30 and here also it is going to be 30. You understood that concept? Which means here silver left is 30 and here silver left is, silver is given here, I believe 26, yes. So this will become 44. Now I mix them. I mix them because this is 150 kgs and this is 250 kgs, right? So I mix them in the ratio 3:5, correct? So ये भी 100 हो गया, here it is 100 और here also it is 100. Now I have to mix them in the ratio 3:5 ना, so then I'll multiply this ratio by 3 and this ratio by 5, तभी तो होगा वो. तो इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ये 90 हो जाएगा, ये 90 हो जाएगा, ये 120 हो जाएगा, ये 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ये 150 हो जाएगा, 130 हो जाएगा, 220 हो जाएगा. Now I can mix them up. Now I know this entire thing is 150, which means इसका जो पार्ट है वो will be how much? 120 of total, that is 300 into 150. Yes or no? So platinum in this part is 60 kgs and here it is 220 upon 500 of 250, right? So this part is 110 kgs. तो जब मैं इनको मिक्स करूंगा तो ये प्लैटिनम से मिल जाएगा, मिलाप हो जाएगा उनका, 110 plus 60. I am not doing for the other because others is not being asked, platinum only is asked. So 170 kgs should be the answer. So what was the key takeaway from here? That if a resultant mixture is having 30% of gold and in the initial two mixture the gold was same, which means जो average आया है वो दोनों quantity 30-30 ही होगी. समझ में आया? Because x plus x upon 2 is 2x upon 2 is x. So if x is 30, both 30-30 होना चाहिए था, and then we could solve this sum. Fine, let's do it. The ratio of milk and water in 3 vessels are 3:1, 4:3, 5:2. The ratio of capacity of all vessels are 6:4:3. All are poured into the fourth vessel, then find the ratio of milk and water in the fourth vessel. I'll quickly explain how we do this sum because we have done such sums previously. So क्या करो पहले, all this 3:1, first vessel 4:3 and 5:2. Now they are taken in the ratio 6:4:3. ऐसे में मिक्स किया हमको और फिर अपने को रिजल्टेंट में अपने को इनका रेशियो निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट मेक देम सेम. Here it is 4, here it is 7, here it is 7. Make them same and then take them in this ratios, add करके mix करके उसका ratio निकालो. Clear? A vessel of capacity 2 liters is 25% alcohol, and so now let us look at the last sum of the concept. A vessel of capacity 2 liters is having 25% alcohol. Another vessel of capacity 6 liters is having 48% alcohol. This total is 6 plus 2, 8 liters is now poured into a 10 liter vessel, and 8 liters fill होने के बाद the rest 2 liters are filled with water. What is the new concentration of alcohol or water in the mixture? So let us find out. So they've asked what is the new concentration of mixture, which means they've asked for both water and alcohol. So one will be water, one will be alcohols. Let us see. Let's find out. So vessel A contains alcohol and water. Solution है, and this is 2 liters. So 25% is alcohol. So 25% corresponds to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 2 liters is 0.5 liters, which means this should be 1.5 liters. So this breakup we got. Then there is a mixture B, also has alcohol and water. Correct? Now in this there is 40% of alcohol. So 40% corresponds to 2 by 5, and this is 6 liters. So this is 2/5 of 6 liters is 12 by 5. 2.4 liters is alcohol. So 3.6 liters would be water. Now I am adding this two into a vessel of 10 liters. तो ये पूरा यहाँ तक 8 लीटर्स भर जाएगा. तो 0.5 फीट, दिस इज 2.9 लीटर्स हो जाएगा अल्कोहल, एंड वाटर 1.54 5.1 liters. Correct? Now balance 2 liters they are adding water to it. So there will be finally 2.9 liters and 7.1 liters, right? Which means the ratio would be 29:71, the ratio of alcohol and water in the final mixture. I think they've asked us the alcohol percentage. So alcohol will be 29 upon 100 total into 100. So alcohol is 29%. If they are asking water, water is 71 of 100. So water is 71%. So I think if they have asked alcohol, it should be this. If they have asked water, it should be this. Okay? Let's move ahead. Hello students, I hope you like this video of mixture and alligation. If you have any queries or any sums, because the sums tend to be very long, please connect to me on my YouTube channel or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number and keep me motivated, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.